Mabuhay Pilipinas! This is PHUSA Guru, your teacher from the Philippines, teaching here in United States. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing my husband's gift on my 40th birthday. It's GoPro HERO 7 Black. Let's see what's inside, so let's check it out. Checking out the packaging, it has some of the main features. It has 12 megapixel camera, shoots 4K at 60 video, and 2 waterproof down to 33 feet or 10 meters, and live streaming. And the most important one in GoPro 7, GoPro HERO 7 Black, is the gimbal-like hyper smooth stabilization. And on the other side, you could see here what I was talking about a while ago, the 12 MP, the 4K 60, 33 feet, and it is touchscreen as well. Then there's GPS, and it is hyper smooth. There's live streaming, which I was talking about a while ago, the HDR, the slow-mo 8 times, and of course live streaming as well. As you can see, this is made for iPhone and iPad as well. And you could see the features, or maybe probably what's inside this box. And since this is GoPro, we could use it under the sea, under the water, which is very awesome. We can download the GoPro, so we can set this up and be connected with our phone, download it, and then paired it up. So now let's open the box. As you can see, there is this line. This is fancy, so let's open it and let's see what's inside, what accessory stuff included. So let's open it this way. Wow, you see that? This is beautiful. Our GoPro HERO 7 Black. So as you can see, this is amazing. And then this is on the side, which you're gonna put something here, and this is, I think, the main screen, and this is the on button. And you see that? This is really beautiful. Thank you, my husband. I love you very much for this, for supporting me on my vlogging. Inside, you could see a GoPro discount, damage replacement, and then there is this. We can talk or chat with GoPro expert if there is a problem. You can talk to them in different languages. We have GoPro stickers that we can put in the camera itself. This is one of the most important things or accessory stuff inside this GoPro HERO 7 Black, because this is my first time to use this, so I don't know how to use this. We will use this instruction how to set up, how to use this, and I'll be needing this. This is great. Let's look at the accessories inside the box. We have I'm sorry. So this is what we have. This is 2 sticky mount adapters. There is curve, and the other one is the flat one. The curve mount adapter, and this is the flat mount adapter, which is really awesome. So this 2 accessory stuff is inside the GoPro camera. What else? I want you to look at this. You know what this is? This is I think a battery, and this is the same as battery of GoPro 6. What else? We have this. This is USB charging cable, and let's see if there are still some accessory stuff. So that's it for the last time. And this GoPro camera has USB, and then there are 2 sticky mount, the flat and the curve, the battery, the instruction, and so on. So how do we get the camera? It says here remove. So how do we remove that? So let us remove this, and then got it. If you want, you can put this back, okay, when you're using this mount. So let's put on the battery, but first we need to take the cage out. As you can see, there is this arrow. Let's pull this out so we can open, slide down, and then open this. This is the cage. It is protected. So let's take the camera slowly. Here's the cage, and here's the camera itself. This is the mode. Let's slide down, and then this is where you will put the microphone and connect. So you have to buy that, I think around $50. And then let's slide this down for the battery, and here is our battery. Let's put in and let us try. Oh wait, so we need to, okay, so let's lock it, and then let's turn it on. Let's see, there you go. So it's opening now, and that's how it looks like. And you need to set the language, just like what I've said a while ago. This is touch screen. Can you see that? So let's press English, and then it says here legal setup by using this GoPro. I agree to the terms of use available of GoPro.com legal. So this is disagree and agree. So let's hit agree. Next, GPS captures the location where your videos and your photos are taken. Since we're not using this yet, so let's turn this off. But if you're gonna use this, set it up again and turn on the GPS. Install the GoPro app on your phone to finish setup. Leave your camera on and follow the app instruction. I'm gonna do this later on because I'm using my phone to take the video of this, but again, we can install the GoPro in our phone to finish the setup. So this is GoPro HERO 7 Black, and with this case, make sure to put the cage in. So make sure this one, the on thing is there, and then close it, and then lock. So to lock this, we need to slide this down. This is protected, and there you go. We will set this up later on. Okay, we will skip the setup, and then you can set the date. Today is July, which is my birthday, July 25th. This is awesome because this is touchscreen. July 25th, 2020. Check. And then what time did I receive this from my husband? I received this at 12, exactly on my birthday, 12 a.m. And it says here, explore your new GoPro. Tap the buttons on the screen to get to know your camera. This is where you video. Okay, tap below to change the mode and so on. But we will not do this at the moment. I'm not gonna use it because it has only 8% battery, and there is no SD card. You can buy like 64 gig SD card for the storage. This is really awesome. We're gonna be using this the next time we go to the beach, and I can use this for my live streaming, not only for my live streaming, but in everything that I will be doing for my content. At the moment, I'm using my iPhone to video this. That's why I can't set this up. I cannot pair GoPro to my iPhone. Probably this is the reason why my husband bought me this as a gift. At least I can use this anytime, anywhere, without using my phone. If you like this unboxing for my GoPro HERO 7 Black, please like, share, and consider yourself subscribed, and hit the bell button for my next videos. For my next video, I will use this, and let me show you how good it is. How awesome is this? Till next time, bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.